Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Topical question solution, and the topic is practical electricity. It is part 1, and in this part we will solve 10 topical questions related to practical electricity. The course is Cambridge O level physics and the course code is 5054. Let's start the questions. Question number 1. A lamp is connected to the AC main supply in series with a switch and a fuse. Which circuit shows these components wired correctly? It is option C. Switch is designed to break or complete an electric circuit. Switch should be fitted to the live wire of the lamp. When the switch is closed, the lamp will glow, and when the switch is open, the lamp will be disconnected from the live wire coming from the mains supply. Similarly, the fuse should be connected to the live wire so that the current to the lamp will be cut off immediately after long current melts the fuse and the lamp will not be at a potentials equals to the mains supply. So it is option C. So always remember, whether it is fuse or it is switch, both are connected to the live wire, so that if the switch is either open or a fuse is melt, then the lamp is disconnected from the main supply, and in this way the lamps will not have any 240 volts or 120 volt, whatever be the case, across it. So it's very important in practical electricity. I am telling you again, explaining it again. Either connect fuse or the circuit breaker always always with the live wire, and the make or break device like switch should also always be connected with the live wire. So option C here is the correct option. Question number 2. The diagram shows the wiring of a 3-pin plug, mains plug. There is an error in the diagram. What is the error? Live wire, you can see from the diagram, the live wire is connected with the fuse correctly, and the earth wire is connected correctly as shown in E, and the neutral wire is also connected correctly. But one thing, the cable cover C is not under the clip C. So this is an error. This wiring is inaccurate. The cable cover should come under the grip. Okay, so it is option A. The cable cover or the cable grip, the cable covered C is not under the clip S or under the grip S. So it is option A. So the live, neutral and earth wires are protected under the cable cover C, and the cable cover should be under the cord grip or clip S. The cable cover C should be under the cord grip or clip S. This is very important. Okay. Question number 3. A 100-watt lamp is switched on for 5 hours each day for 3 weeks. The cost of 1 unit of electricity is $0.24. How much does it cost to run the lamp for this time? The power rating of the lamp is 100 watt. Convert this 100 watt into kilowatt. So 100 over 1000 is equal to 0.1 kilowatt. Now the time should be in hours. So 5 hours in 21 days, because 3 weeks is equal to 21 days. So 5 hours in 21 days and is equal to 105 hours. Now the consumed energy by the lamp. The consumed energy by the lamp should be in kilowatt hour. So multiply the rating in kilowatt with the operating time, that is 105 hours. And the consumed energy is 10.5 kilowatt hour. And we know that 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit. Cost of 1 unit is given as $0.24. So the cost of electrical energy consumed by the lamp is number of units 10.5 multiplied with $0.24, the cost per unit. And total price is, or the total cost is $2.52. It is option C. Question number 4. The diagram shows the information found on an electric kettle. What is the frequency of the electrical supply used to power the kettle? So from the information found on the kettle, 240 volt is the input AC voltage rating of the kettle. 50 Hz should be the frequency of the 240 volt AC supply. 600 watt is the input power needed by the kettle to operate. And 700 centimeter cube is the volume inside the kettle. So it is option A. And from this information we can also calculate the input current demand of the kettle as well. Power is given as 600 watt, voltage is given as 240 volts. So input current can also be calculated as using the formula power is equal to VI. So I is 2.5 ampere. So the answer is option A, 50 Hz. Current calculation is optional. I have just shown you how to calculate the input current if voltage rating and if power rating is given to you. So you can easily calculate the current rating, and here the rating current is 2.5 ampere. Question number 5. Which diagram shows a lamp wired correctly to the mains supply in a house? Always remember the switch and fuse should be connected to the live wire. So here in option C, a switch is connected to the live wire so that when switch is open, the 240 volts or the mains voltage are disconnected from the lamp. Similarly, fuse is also connected to the live wire so that if fuse is melt, then there is no voltage across the lamp. So both switch and fuse must be connected to the live wires. Option C. Question number 6. 1 kilowatt hour of energy cost $0.24. How much does it cost to run a 2 kilowatt heater for 3 hours? 2 kilowatt power is given, input power rating is given 2 kilowatt, and time is given as 3 hours. So energy in kilowatt hour is 2 multiplied with 3, it is 6 kilowatt hour, and the cost of energy is $0.24 per kilowatt hour. So total cost will be $1.4. So it is option D. Question number 7. A resistor is marked with 3 colored bands. Using the key provided, what is the resistance of the resistor? Okay, it is very simple question. You just have to understand what are 3 colors from left to right. So first color is yellow, and from the key, the code for yellow is 4. Write down 4. The second band is violet, and from the key, the code for the violet is 7. Write down 7 with 4. It is 47 now. then place a multiplication sign. After placing multiplication sign, uh, look at the third band. What is its color? Its color is orange. And for orange, the code is 3. And for third band, write down 10 to raise to power 3. So for third band only, you have to write 10 to the power code. Code is 3, so it's 10 to raise to power 3. And so the resistance of the resistor is 47 into 10 to raise to power 3 ohms. Question number 8. An appliance uses a current of 3 ampere. Which row is correct for the fuse in this appliance? So fuse should be connected with the live wire. Fuse should not be connected either with the neutral wire or with the earth wire. Fuse and switch both are always connected with the live wire. So fuse should be connected in live wire, number 1. And number 2, as the appliance rating is 3 amperes, so fuse rating should be slightly above the appliance rating. So 5 ampere should be the rating of the fuse and should be connected with the live wire. It's option B. Question number 9. The table contains part of the color code for resistors. What is the resistance of the resistor with the color bands shown? The first band is for black, and the code for black, the first color band is red. The first color band is red, the second is black, and third is brown. In diagram, it is slightly misplaced, so note it down please. The first band is red, the second band is black, and the third band is brown. So as first band is red and the code of red is 2, so write down 2. As the second band is black and the code of black is 0, so write down 0. After writing these 2 digits, place a multiplication sign. Now the third band is brown and the code for brown is 1. So it is 10 to raise to power 1. So it is 10 into 10 to raise to power 1, and that is 200 ohm. So I am telling you again this question. The first band is red, the second band is black, and the third band is brown. For red it is 2, for black it is 0, and for brown it is 1. So it is 20 into 10 to raise to power 1, which is equal to 200 ohms. Question number 10. Which unit measures the energy input to an electrical appliance? It is kilowatt hour. So some of the electrical appliance characteristics are shown in the table. Energy input depends upon operating time and its unit is kilowatt hour, where kilowatt is the power input and H is the number of hours the device is in operation. Power input rating is watt or kilowatt. Voltage input rating is volt. Current input rating is ampere, and the frequency rating for AC input, it is in hertz. For DC, for for the device which operates on DC, there is no frequency concept. There is no concept of frequency. But the devices which works on AC voltage, they have frequency rating given in hertz.